Finding the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane using the Pythagorean formula. Step 1. Create a right triangle extending from the end points of the diagonal line segment. Step 2. Determine the length of the vertical and the horizontal segments. Step 3. Substitute the lengths of the vertical and horizontal segment into the Pythagorean theorem formula and solve for the hypotenuse. We'll count how long the vertical segment is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It is 12 units long. Now we'll do the same to the horizontal segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. It is 16 units long. We are missing our c side, which is the hypotenuse. We will use 8 squared plus b squared equals c squared to find our missing length. 12 squared plus 16 squared equals c squared. We will square 12 and 16, which will give us 12 times 12 is 144, and 16 times 16 is 256. This will equal our c squared. The sum of 144 and 256 is 400. 400 equals c squared. We are looking for the side length. Therefore, we need to find the square root of the area, which is 400. We will take the square root of 400 and the square root of c squared. Squared and the square root will cancel each other out, leaving you only with c. The square root of 400 is 20. Therefore, the missing side, c, is 20. Calculate the distance between the strawberry and the ice cream. We'll find the distance between the strawberry and the ice cream, and then you will draw the horizontal and the vertical lines. The vertical line segment is 1, 2, 3 units. The horizontal segment is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. We are missing the c side. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We will substitute the variables with the values that we found. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and the sum of those will equal c squared. 9 plus 16 is 25 equals c squared. Remember that we're looking for the side length. Therefore, I will need to square root the area, which is 25. I will take the square root of 25 and I will take the square root of c squared. Square and square root cancel each other out, leaving you with c. The square root of 25 will be 5. Therefore, the c side, the diagonal would be 5. That is the distance between the ice cream and the strawberry. Calculate the distance between the cake and the cupcake. We will draw our diagonal first from the cake to the cupcake. We will find our vertical segment and then our horizontal segment. Vertical segment is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 units in length. Horizontal segment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 units in length. We are missing our c side. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared will be 5 squared, B will be 6 squared, and we are missing our c squared. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. And the sum of those will equal c squared. 25 plus 36 gives us 61, and 61 equals c squared. Remember that we only found the area of the missing square. To find the side, we will need to square root 61. And we will also take the square root of c squared. Squared and square root will cancel each other out, leaving you with c. The square root of 61 is approximately 7.81. Therefore, the distance between the cupcake and the cake is approximately 7.81 units.